What's up, everybody? Good morning. Set that on Instagram. Let's see. We are 1,900 subscribers away from 100K. $1,900. What's up, BZB? Good morning. How's Spy looking? I mean, really, the only thing I'm watching today is going to be that ES double top potentially, which is at 60.53. So we'll watch that. We'll also watch some QQQ. Any pairs this morning? No, I don't trade Forex. Not anymore. Yeah, hopefully we can find a nice trade today. I know, I just want that plaque. That's all I want now. Got everything else I set out for this year, besides that plaque. You got some good videos coming out for you guys soon, though. Gonna definitely grind some content today. I don't got much to do. Yep. Yep. They also have a Black Friday sale on this on TradingView. I think I'm gonna buy it. Dog's just staring at me. What you want? Hi. But yeah, so today, pretty much what I'm watching is SPY, QQQ, Apple, Meta, and Amazon. They're more so like side watches. I like the hourly setups on all three of them. Specifically the Amazon and Meta. I mean, Meta actually looks like really, really good today. So might prioritize that over the other two individuals. Meta's definitely got the better setup. So see what happens over 575.50 if we can build a base above that. Let's look for that continuation. It's got a nice 1 hour squeeze. We're holding the 1 hour 21 EMA. Maybe a break above this pre-market high. Come back and retest if this thing will draw. There we go. And then we can target yesterday's high. It's definitely got like a weekly squeeze going on or something. Just consolidating. It looks like it wants to move higher. But yeah, I would watch this Meta today. I haven't been live on TikTok in a minute either. Let's do that. See what's going on in the TikTok world. What y'all got planned for Thanksgiving? Anything fun? Hopefully, obviously, spending time with family, but any exciting plans? Come on, talk, hurry up. 5 minutes still open. Now remember, liquidity is likely going to be very, very low today. Oh my God, yes, TikTok. Come on. There we go. Live day trading. Cool. We are live. Nice. Play Call of Duty. Yeah, that's why we would just want to stick to A+ setups. If the market gives us something cool, if not, guess what? Sit on hands. It's the best we can do. Yeah, I mean, for me personally, these short weeks suck. Just through years of journaling and trading, I know that these short weeks are not my best. So that's why I'm gonna stay like really, really patient and look, obviously, for an A+++ setup. But what do we got? 2 minutes to market open. Let's see, 2 minutes. Okay. Let's do this. Lock in, trade safe, trade smart. It looks like that Amazon's going to invalidate, so likely nothing there today. Apple on 50-50 about. I like Meta more. So let's prioritize Meta SPY QQQ. We're here on Zoom. Always.
She's 6,000 area. That's good.
Apple's ripping right off the open. Maybe Apple's back in play. We'll see. Let's also watch Meta like right here at this 572.70. Let's see if they hold it. No, I just lost it. Never mind, nothing there.
It's open.
Maybe try to reclaim it. Our risk is a little too wide on that. Or sorry, the spreads are a little wide on the calls. They're like 40 wide for some reason. So if we're gonna trade Meta, we need the spreads to be tighter. I ain't trading something that's 40 wide, but I mean it's holding the technical levels. Just makes no sense if the spreads are 40 wide. That's over 10% of the contract.
Yo, morning team.
Yeah, I ain't gonna trade this Meta. Spreads are not tightening at all. So let's go watch SPY.
How y'all doing? Good, man. How are you? Our physical armor Bowl. Send a link on a bang, shall we? So, Emily, Moneybank, Marcel. Wait, what your name then? Thanks, man. Since that damn MC pledge keeps giving me your name. So, QP.
So we bounced off that 600. SPY and QQQ diverging big time. Which I don't like. We just literally have like no zones that are near.
You guys gonna watch on the open?
Stay very, very patient today. Real quick, if you guys haven't, take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the YouTube. Again, we're less than 1,900 subscribers away from 100,000 subs. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you're following. And if you want to tap into the YouTube, where I trade live every single morning, over 1,200 free videos, tap into the YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. The link is in my bio. Again, let's hit that 100K by the end of the year. Need all the help I can get. That's the one goal I haven't hit for 2024 was 100K subs. So, if you subscribe, I will give you a cookie. I'll personally hand deliver it to you. It can only be a chocolate chip cookie, though. No oatmeal or raisin cookies. If you like those, get out my live stream. It's like, just tech being weaker.
Pick up turkey a bag. It's like about it. Just make it, man. I'm ready.
I just paid for my yearly on TradeZilla. I think it was like, I want to say 400 is what I paid for the year. So you get like 2 months free or 3, something like that.
You know, I can feedback about Jerry Temple yesterday. We're really enjoying his lesson.
Not opposed to trying some QQQ puts, to be honest with you. Closed below yesterday's low. SPY's a little more consolidated than QQQ. It does look like, I'll show you guys this here in a second. Hold on. I mean, if we're going to bounce anywhere, it's like where we're trading right now on QQQ. But look at this 4 hour. We have like this like wedge going on here. I hate trading trend lines. Make that very known. I don't really trade that, but if we're gonna bounce, it's somewhere in this area right here. Guess it really depends on the 4 hour close, because you can see that on the 4 hour. So if we close below that trend line on the 4 hour, we should see that next move down. Which, when's this 4 hour close? I think it opened at what, 5? No, 9. Sorry. So we won't know until 1.
Yo, GD, you here, bro?
That's a valid level.
Pick up some fair value gaps for us. I can buy it, absolutely. Pick up some fair value gaps. Let's get it. The question is, what is Mr. J. Young going to do? Probably not. I said, I have a thing, especially with holidays, too, where I don't really like to trade the day before holidays. Obviously, the market's really not open on holidays, but don't just trade on birthdays, holidays. This is like, imagine you take a trade today. You take a trade today and get back. One thing's good. Just cook the turkey, not cook our kids. This 5-minute closest green on EQ, I'm gonna rip them along.
Let's see if we have news today. Oh, we actually have a lot. PMI, personal income. We had GDP revision at 8:30. Cool. So let's see what happens with this news. See if we get anything good out of it.
It is right. We have the BMI.
Yeah, Amazon fell apart, Meta fell apart, Apple kind of falling apart too. So, does not look like any of those individuals are going to get some love today. Maybe next week. Yes, you can, because you can add like separate accounts on TradeZella. Like I have one for my futures account, my small account, and then my normal account.
What's this doing? And it was for BMI.
Also, if y'all want to get funded in the meantime, drop this link here. Everybody in TikTok, the funded account is in my bio. But everybody in the TikTok, or not the TikTok, the YouTube, if you guys want to get funded, it's the only prop firm I will ever promote, because obviously I'm best friends with the owner and see him every day. So, and then if you use code FFF, you'll get 50% off.
Take 2 AQ. I take this trade.
Use code FFF.
Give it a second after the scandal closes, see how we react to BMI branch.
What I would like to see, to be honest with you, possible reject right here. Is that 507.60, 507.72, somewhere in that area? So I will have QQQ puts pulled up. The 507s pulled up and ready to roll. Buy's trying to bounce back up. Meta's still getting smacked. Hopefully they don't reject this early.
not in there doing the late notes. He's out here reacting on the PMI.
Kind of liking this SPY if we can build a base above the 821 in VWAP. It's gonna take a few more candles for the confirmation though.
Yeah. I tried a small size of NQ loans. So if my stop is at 8, basically low day. 853.
Grizzly trying some longs. I'm gonna keep an eye on the SPY actually to the upside too. Got mixed reviews between QQQ and SPY right now, but we'll see which one confirms, which one ends up confirming.
Let's see you. Locking down profits before Thanksgiving.
I want them to reject it here. I wanted it a little higher. We had the sellers there. Just wanted it a little higher.
Eight eight three is my average.
Patiently waiting. It's just like the last price. That's all you need. Somewhere in the settings. There. Configure visible components. Last price. Better not drop without testing my level first.
Oh, crazy sun, it shall pop up. Yeah, but it's like it's not just with the long it's only 21 trim.
Also, if you guys haven't, make sure you're following my Instagram. You can see that at the bottom of the screen, Brandon Trades. I also post a bunch on there. So close to a level.
Be log on QQ then reject it.
So close yet so far. I don't know. Colors. And then make it white. I don't even remember doing that, but I guess I did. I think you have the best bid and the best ask on. That's why it's green and red. Mass price should just set it like that.
They mark two, didn't you, Grizzly? Yeah. The oh, I just remembered that. No. Well, Brad's like great.
Oh, I should have taken the early entry. Should have done like a small size. Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Yeah, I was talking to rip up. Liquidity. It's 850. We lose this cell. Close blood. That's decent. Decent amount down.
Let's see what else we can find. Meta is just getting demolished today. Also, if you guys got questions, feel free to ask.
15 to 20 points better than 15.
Thank you for the subscribe. Greatly appreciated. Alrighty, let's see. Bah. I mean, I guess that QQQ level's still valid if we got up there, but so first off, if you're going to use Bookmap, make sure you use my affiliate link. I'll drop that in the chat. But pretty much Bookmap is just showing you where liquidity lies in the market, where the large buy and sell orders are sitting. It's never going to tell you the exact direction that it's going to go. The best thing that we can do is use key levels and then piece together where the buyers and sellers and use that to understand, okay, price is potentially going to reject my level or price is potentially going to bounce off my level. And then we just piece together volume price action. And as far as Forex, I mean, I used to back in, actually I traded it for a while. It's just I haven't traded it in like over 2 years, almost 2 years. But yeah, tons of videos on how to use Bookmap. I use it religiously every day. We have data in 1 minute. $30 seconds. Let's see what we get. Again, real quick, everybody make sure you're subscribed. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you're following all that good stuff. I go live pretty much every single morning and do some live day trading for you guys. So if you're not subscribed, you're not following, I don't know what to tell you, to be honest. Missing out. Plus, on YouTube, like 1,200 videos teach you guys on how to trade. I don't know if you guys hear my cat hissing, but her and my dog are going at it. Just trying to trade, and this is stuff I gotta deal with. Stop. Come here. Very, very boring.
$1,005. 4 cents. Damn, bro's rich. Rich.
Can you send me $6, please?
I'll make sushi. Tell him, bro.
I told you come to Denver. I got you.
So, Brando, how's your trip, man?
It was good. No complaints. First time going back home since moving out here. Probably gonna give this price action like 30 more minutes. Dip on out. You know what, Don? I might play some Call of Duty today as well. I literally have nothing to do besides the gym and go to Team Bull HQ and get some stuff. But it's also snowing, so I have to use the apartment gym. Yeah, I had somebody ask me about that earlier. So if you're gonna trade Forex with Bookmap, you need to like be trading the outright future. So like the Euro futures or like let's see if I can pull it up. It might be a different symbol, but on Bookmap, like the website, it'll tell you all of the futures that you can pull up. But you have to like actually watch the individual future for that currency. There it is. 6EZ4. Boom. There you go. And then if you have Bookmap data or Rhythmic, make sure you go into your settings, go down to manage add-ons, and then install TraderMap Lite right there. So then, can you not do it on this? TraderMap Lite. Oh, maybe a TraderMap Pro. I think you need TraderMap Pro, or if you're gonna do like the Euro futures. Sensitivity. Yes, that's what you're gonna need. TraderMap Pro. Boom. And then it filters all of it. Which, I mean, it's also funny because Bookmap was originally made for currencies back in the day. Once upon a time. Thinkorswim, TradingView, TradeZella, Bookmap. It's really all I use. I don't use any Flow services. I think Flow is very misleading. So, use my eyeballs and then use Bookmap to confirm and then journal my trades. See, I don't ski. I'll go tubing, but I ain't skiing. Maybe snowboarding. I don't know. Yes, I'll periodically use the footprint charts, and then if I'm trading futures, yes, I'll use the DOM. But good lord, this market is boring today. Kind of expected. Let's see. Hold on. Speaking of bookmap, I think I got some stuff they want me to work on. MBO bundle. I swear this cat and dog. Again, feel free to ask questions while we're just chilling here. Because so far it's looking highly unlikely that I'm gonna take the trade, but a trade. So obviously that could change, but we shall see. Might actually swing some like lotto puts into Friday, depending on this 4-hour candle close. Actually, not Friday. Maybe like Monday or Tuesday's expiration. We'll see. Or maybe even a butterfly, zero or hero. Haven't done one of those in a minute. Sorry, I got a phone call. But alright, looks like we're dropping. We lost that 600 on SPY. I guess let's see what happens at pre-market low. 599.6. Bang my toe on the door. That shit hurt. Yeah, let's see what happens at this pre-market low. It's the last thing I'll watch. So I got SPY calls pulled up. Like to see it actually hit it and get a reaction. Then I'll take it. Let's see, yesterday's low on NQ2075. So we're like 40 points away from that. Surprisingly, we don't have a demand down there. All right. I gave it a very light go. Very light go on SPY calls. Stop will be below that pre-market low. Very, very light. But if we're going to bounce anywhere, I think it's here. Really would like to see VWAP somewhere up there. That's kind of what we're looking at right now. Stop right below there. Target VWAP like a 1.5 hour trade. We can get this push. Yeah, come on. Oh, come on. Pump it up. Got cracked 600. That's the only thing we got to break.
Trade still, Brent?
Yes, sir. I'll stop below that 599.5. I'm very light, but if we're going to balance, it should be this pre-market low. If you're looking for shorts, though, feel free to call it. Just gotta break 600. Risk reward's definitely there, though.
Rips, I'm with you. I'm not with you here.
Oh, you're in with me.
Like I cheat you every time I say that.
I'm not held responsible for any losses. Blame Grizzly if this trade goes bad.
Like that reversal candle.
Gotta get above 600. Was a lot of volume on that candle, too, which I really like. And QQQ that had a really nice 5-minute closed above 505. Better just not sit here and chop. Do like though when we dip down, they buy it back up. But yeah, we have a really nice wick right off our level. We're gonna bounce anywhere, it's here. Again, the risk rewards there. Just very, very, very light on this. So if we stop out, I'll take a small loss. QQQ is losing that 505. We're likely gonna have to stop out. Down like $12 a contract. see if they hold it again. If you guys aren't comfortable in this trade, we're only down like $4 or $5 contract, depending on your entry. Or if you got in a little later, you're around break even. But we came back down, we hit that pre-market low, we're bouncing off of it again. We just got to crack this 600, and then I'd like to see VWAP at 600.2, 0.25. Maybe 610 depending on the contracts, but I did the 599s personally. Come on, give me the bounce. Looks like it's probably going to try to lose it. I think if we pop back up towards break even, I'm going to cut it. Or just take a super small loss if we break this low. Let's see. Just knife through the level. Let's see what happens. See if they reclaim it. Maybe it was just a stop run. I'm gonna wait for this 2-minute candle close. I want to see how this candle closes. I'll let you guys know if I cut. But it looks like we're likely going to take a loss. Yeah, no, I'm out of this. I'm going to take the loss.
Fuck you.
See, this is all you, Grizzly. If you didn't take it, it would have worked out. If you didn't take it, it would have worked out. I was super light on that, though. If we were going to bounce anywhere, it was there. Yeah, everyone blame Grizzly. But yeah, I'm gonna call it. That was the only thing that I saw. Everybody have a good Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you guys on Friday. Peace. Cool. So everybody in the TikTok and YouTube took a very small loss today. Again, it happens, but if we were going to bounce anywhere, it was there. That 5-minute reaction looked really good off of that pre-market low. We just could not crack that 600. Risk reward was definitely there, though. So, good setup. Just unfortunately, it did not work out. That's okay. So, let's see what happens on Friday. Yeah, everybody have a good Thanksgiving. I will talk to everybody Friday morning. Peace.